100 Years of Solitude, Gabriel Garcia Marquez, a multi-generational saga of the Buendia family in a magical town. You will not believe what we are about to reveal right now. This is one of the most searched and most misunderstood topics out there, and we are breaking it down step by step so you never have to worry about it again. 100 Years of Solitude chronicles the rise and fall of the Buendia family in the mythical town of Macondo. Gabriel Garcia Marquez weaves a tale rich with magical realism, exploring themes of fate, solitude, and the cyclical nature of history. The novel begins with the patriarch, Jose Arcadio Buendia, founding Macondo, and follows his descendants through generations marked by recurring names, traits, and destinies. The book delves into the lives of the Buendias, each generation facing its own struggles, triumphs, and inevitable downfalls. As the family grows, so does its entanglement in love, war, betrayal, and redemption. The narrative is filled with the extraordinary, from rain lasting for years to ghosts that wander the town, encapsulating the magical realism for which Marquez is famous. A transformative insight from the novel is the portrayal of time as cyclical and repetitive. The Buendias are caught in patterns they cannot escape, suggesting that history is doomed to repeat itself unless consciously changed. This resonates with the idea that understanding our past is crucial to shaping our future. Another profound theme is solitude. Each character, despite being surrounded by family, experiences deep isolation, reflecting on the human condition and the pursuit of connection in a world often indifferent to individual suffering. The novel also explores the intertwining of reality and fantasy. By blending the mundane with the magical, Marquez challenges readers to see beyond the literal and appreciate the deeper truths hidden within life's complexities. One of the book's most memorable moments is the discovery of Melquiades prophecies, which encapsulate the entire history of the Buendia family. This revelation ties together the novel's themes of destiny, time, and knowledge, offering a powerful conclusion to the family's saga. Gabriel Garcia Marquez, a Nobel Prize-winning author, is celebrated for his masterful storytelling and creation of vivid, immersive worlds. His work often reflects the political and social dynamics of Latin America, infused with magical elements that challenge conventional narratives. 100 Years of Solitude remains relevant today as it addresses universal themes of family, memory, and the human struggle against predetermined fate. In a world grappling with its past and future, its message about the inevitability of change and the resilience of the human spirit continues to resonate. An actionable takeaway from the novel is to reflect on the patterns in one's own life. By recognizing and understanding these cycles, individuals can break free from the constraints of history, forging new paths with awareness and intention. Thanks for watching. Hit like and subscribe for daily update. Turn on notifications to never miss a video. Comment your favorite phrase below and watch the next video for more tips.